In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use aggregate function in Microsoft Excel. Even though the word aggregate often brings to mind large summaries, a common way to work with aggregate-style calculations in Excel is to build formulas that combine values and then copy them across rows. In this walkthrough, you will create a calculation in one cell, lock a specific percentage reference, and then copy the formula down so the same logic applies to the rest of your data. To begin, click cell C2. Make sure you select the empty cell or the cell where you want the calculation to appear. You want to start in the correct spot, because Excel formulas are cell-specific, and your results will display exactly where your cursor is placed. Next, you will start typing the formula. Type the equal sign, which is the standard way to tell Excel you are entering a formula. After you type equal sign, click cell B2. This inserts the value from B2 into your formula, so Excel knows you want to use that number as part of the calculation. Now continue the formula by typing the multiplication asterisk, which is the symbol Excel uses for multiplication. In the formula bar, you should see that the asterisk is placed after the reference to B2. This step matters because multiplication is what connects the base value in B2 with the percentage you will use later. After that, click cell E2, which contains your fixed percentage rate value. At this point, Excel will insert the E2 reference into your formula. Take a moment to confirm you selected E2 correctly, because the next step will lock that reference so the percentage does not change when you copy the formula. Once E2 is selected and its reference appears in the formula, press the F4 key immediately after selecting cell E2. This is an important shortcut. It tells Excel to convert the reference to an absolute or fixed reference format, meaning the row and column behavior will not shift when the formula is copied. You are essentially telling Excel, keep this percentage rate the same no matter which row I move to. Now verify what happened. Look at the cell reference text in the formula and confirm that it changes from E2 to E2. In Excel terms, you are checking that the fixed reference indicator is in place, so you know F4 applied correctly. If you do not see the reference update as expected, you may want to undo and try again to ensure the percentage is properly locked. After the reference is correct, press Enter on your keyboard to complete the calculation step. When you press Enter, Excel calculates the result in cell C2. This is where you confirm that the formula logic is working, and the output appears using B2 multiplied by the percentage in E2. With the first result complete, you can now reuse the same formula for the rest of the rows. Hover over the bottom right corner of cell C2, also known as the fill handle area. You will notice a small green square when you move your cursor to the right spot. This handle is what allows Excel to copy formulas without you typing them repeatedly. Finally, double-click the green square fill handle to copy down safely. Double-click is especially helpful when your data is arranged in a continuous column because Excel automatically fills the formula down to match the neighboring data. This is the moment where your locked percentage reference makes a big difference. Because E2 is fixed, every copied formula uses the same percentage rate, while the B reference updates for each row you fill. When copying finishes, review the results in the cells below C2 to confirm they look consistent and that the percentage rate stays the same across the calculated rows. That is a quick quality check that helps you catch any small reference mistakes early. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.